It was a peaceful morning in Rania and Hamdan's home. Sunlight streamed into the room as their homeschooling mum finished setting up the Montessori activity for the day. On a low shelf, she placed a beautiful rectangular wooden tray. It had 6 sections, 3 of which held insets, 1 circle, 1 square, and 1 triangle. The other 3 sections were empty, showing the wooden outlines of the same shapes. "Rania, Hamdan," Mum called gently. "Come see what we're going to explore today." The children came eagerly and sat cross-legged on the mat. "This," said Mum with a smile, "is a presentation tray. It's your first step in learning about shapes." She carefully bent down and showed them how to hold the tray with both hands, one on each side, and carry it slowly to the work area. "We carry it like this," she explained, "so everything stays safe and balanced." Once seated beside the children, she slowly removed the circle inset, holding the small knob with her thumb and fingers in a neat pincer grip. "This is how we hold it," she said. "Using our fingers like this, it helps strengthen your hands for writing later." She gently placed the circle on the plain wooden surface next to the tray, then did the same with the square and triangle. Now, on the tray, the 3 empty frames sat clearly, and next to them were the 3 loose shapes. Hamdan's eyes sparkled. "Now there are 2 circles." "Exactly," Mom beamed. 2 circles. One is the frame, and one is the inset. Rania pointed. 2. Rania pointed. 2 squares too. "Yes," said Mom. "And 2 triangles. Let's look at them closely." She took the square frame and slowly moved her finger along the inside edge. "Feel this with your dominant hand," she said. "I'm using my right hand to trace it gently." She picked up the square inset using the knob and fitted it neatly back into the square frame. It made a soft sound as it clicked into place. Next, she did the same with the circle and triangle, showing the children each shape slowly and with care. Then Mom looked at Rania and Hamdan. "Would you like to try?" Rania reached out first, lifting the circle by its knob, carefully placing it into the matching space. Hamdan followed with the triangle, turning it a little until it matched perfectly. "Well done," Mom said warmly. "Now that you've had a turn, let's learn the names." She began a 3-period lesson. Holding the triangle, she said clearly, "This is a triangle." She held the square. "This is a square." Then the circle. "This is a circle." "Can you show me the square?" she asked next. Both children pointed correctly. Finally, she tested them. "What's this one called?" "Triangle," Hamdan shouted. "Circle," said Rania. Mom clapped gently. "Excellent work. Today, you learned not just to match shapes, but also their names. We'll come back to this again tomorrow." And just like that, learning shapes became a joyful memory for Rania and Hamdan.